is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Welcome to Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa of the law firm of Figueroa and Associates for a free, no obligation legal consultation on issues such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. Call us at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa and Associates, the law firm. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. What is the type of lawyer do you need? And how far are you going to go to meet with that lawyer? I've heard many clients come into the office, people come in for consultations. They say, boy, I live in New Jersey, boy. I wanted to hire you. Your business is so far, Court Street, downtown Brooklyn, in front of the Supreme Court. Or they live in the Bronx. It's like if they live in another country. They don't want to get on that 4 train, 5 train and get off at Borough Hall. Or they live in Queens, somewhere close to the Long Island border, and they say, boy, Mr. Figueroa, that's a long journey. Well, in order to get great representation, you have to take a long journey. Because the lawyer you need is an attorney that can analyze, an attorney that knows how to separate emotion from obviously following legal procedures, an attorney who could get you prepared for your immigration case, your wills, trust, and estate planning cases, your bankruptcy cases, and there's going to be a lot of Chapter 7, more so than Chapter 13, as we move forward this year and in the future. So one of the things, for example, I tell clients, the best wills, trust, and estate planning might be that divorce that you keep delaying. So you need an attorney that understands the law, understands the trial process, even though your case may not go to trial 90% to 95% of the time. But you prepare litigation with that in mind. The biggest constraint in our community is economics. We may not be able to afford best legal service, and we compromise. We go to that dumb notary who got the notary stamp but doesn't understand the law. Or we go to someone who speaks Creole or speaks Spanish, and that's all they are good for. Because they don't understand the law, they don't understand the process, and sooner or later, what you seek is not what you're going to get. So just remember that obviously when you do legal planning, you need a hired gun, so to speak. You need someone who's a leader, someone who could speak, someone who could do research, and someone who could give you a payment plan. And the law firm of Figueroa and Associates, we do give you payment plans. Why? Because it's the reality of our community. But you better pay me my money, please. Because when I'm angry, I'm angry. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa and Associates, the law firm. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers, and some of our clients, a lot of our clients pray a lot. And unfortunately, praying doesn't always give you the results with your litigation or your legal matters. So while we may pray, I think God really wants you to act smartly. So when people listen to this show and they say, Mr. Figueroa could be my lawyer, and then you make excuses not coming to our office on 26 Court Street, or you went for cheaper. Well, in America, I always say what you pay for is what you get. You want good clothes, you have to pay. You want a nice car with modern technology, you have to pay. You want to eat good food, you have to pay. So if you want good, great law representation, legal representation, you have to pay. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Visit our website, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. And we were talking about God. Well, do yourself a favor and follow God. Share our number. Share your experience with our law firm. Share the good news. You could also read our publications, the Caribbean American Weekly, at www.caribbeanamericanweekly.com. You could also read our publication, The Immigrant's Journal, at www.ijlef.org. And you could read our publication, Workers' World Today, at www.workersworldtoday.com. We will be launching another publication called New Black Voices. And that website will be www.newblackvoices.nyc. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our website for Figueroa and Associates at Ask the Lawyer is www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. On our website, there's a lot of information. We want you to be an educated client so that we could get to the gist and you could understand your issue as an intelligent, thinking human beings. Many people come to my office and they say this white dude or this other dude didn't explain the relief, the case strategy that they're going to have for their case. So our people are treated like dummies. If you are being treated like a dummy with your attorney, then maybe you are a dummy if you didn't do anything about it. So please, my people, we are smarter than that. You have to understand the process. Again, the number to keep, the number to share, the number to call is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Mayor Eric Adams, you are a black man. Look in the mirror. You could be an ex-cop. You could be an ex-borough president. You could be an ex-whatever you want to be. 100 black men. But at the end of the day, your NYPD people see you as black. So if you take off your fancy suit and you walk in Bronxville, in Brooklyn, East New York, you will be treated just like how I will be treated, like a Negro. Do not criticize Black Lives Matter, because Black lives do matter. I said to you and many people who ran for office that came for our endorsements with our publications that you need to hire smart people around you if you or your people not smart enough. And that's understandable. We cannot be intelligent in every single aspect of life. So a smart and thoughtful leader should be better prepared. We are being killed in America, black people, at the highest rate for any group. We are being killed not only by the police officers, for example, the one who assassinated our brother from Africa by shooting him in the back of the head as if we were dogs. And a lot of people I see, the white folks treat their dogs very well. In fact, if they treated us like their dogs, our life would be better. You know, rough. So, Mr. Adams, Mayor Eric Adams, get your act together. You were voted in to protect us, not only from obviously the NYPD and law enforcement, but also in a certain degree from ourselves. And we are in poverty. We are less educated because of that poverty. Our children go to school in the most segregated school system in the country, and there is consequences. Read the decision, Brown versus Board of Education, Mr. Eric Adams, so that you could understand the economic impact and mental impact it has on children coming up in our segregated public school system here in New York City. I said to you, and I said to everyone running for mayor, we need open enrollment where our kids could go to any school in New York City that their little hearts desire. We don't need no stupid plans about, give us more money or do whatever. Give us the opportunity to go to the best schools. And those best schools are in neighborhoods that are doing better economically. I ain't no fool, and a lot of people like me ain't no fool. But you wouldn't do open enrollment, Mr. Eric Adams, Mayor Eric Adams, because you don't want to offend white people. You do not want to offend white people because white people will not like that decision. They don't want us Negroes or brown people in their schools. It was the whole idea of Brown versus Board of Ed, argued by Thurgood Marshall, former Supreme Court Justice. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. I have ideas, obviously, how to solve your legal problems. And I have ideas also how to save our city, save our people. Peace.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our free paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.